ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡ ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಹೂಡಿಕೆದಾರನಿಗೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಷೇರುಗಳು ನಿಜವಾದ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಯಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಉತ್ತಮ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಷೇರಿನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಬೆಲೆ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು ಆ ಷೇರಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಲಭ್ಯತೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವ ಅನೇಕ ಅಳತೆಗೋಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಹೂಡಿಕೆದಾರನ ಹಿತವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗದಂತೆ ತಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಹೂಡಿಕೆದಾರನಿಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Market momentum. Bulls charge ahead. Nifty eyes 22,500 mark. The unstoppable rally at Dalal Street is likely to bloom as bulls will aim to scale above the historic psychological 22,500 mark with an interweek perspective. Agreed, the RBI and FOMC minutes have delivered hawkish tilt. But our call of the day still suggests that bears will continue to be in a hibernation mode on backdrop of 4 positive catalysts. 1. Sizzling bullish sessions at Wall Street on the back of an impressive blockbuster Q4 earnings by Nvidia. Please note, Nvidia's valuation surpassed $1 trillion. 2. At Wall Street, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones have scaled fresh record highs. In the week gone by, the S&P 500 saw a gain of 1.6%, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq added 1.3% each. 3. India ratings pegs India's FY25 GDP growth at 6.5%. According to India Ratings and Research, if the current government returns to power after the Lok Sabha elections, then the pace of private investment may be faster on account of policy continuity. 4. Japanese Nikkei jumped out of gate on excitement for the prospects for the tech sector. Please note, the Nikkei has finally hit a fresh record high for the first time since the year 1989. Long story short, the Gyan Mantra is to stay aggressive bullish as the sentimental, fundamental and technical analysis still suggests the FOMO should drive the King Nifty to 2500 mark with an interweek perspective. Global cues are positive. In Friday's positive session, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1276 crores. DIIs too bought to the tune of Rs 177 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technical suggesting massive breakout play on daily charts. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has cooled towards 14.97 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th February, is at 0.88. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th February, is at 0.80. Nifty's outlook for the day. Nifty's immediate goal post at 22,500. Nifty CMP to 2213. Support 22,000 to 21,800. Resistance 22,300 to 22,400. Range 22,000 to 22,400. Bias sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 46812. Support 46,500 to 46,300. Resistance 47,200 to 47,400. Range 46,300 to 47,200. Bias sideways to bullish. Looking ahead this week, all eyes will be on this Thursday's release of the January Personal Consumption and Expenditures (PCE) Index, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation that tracks consumer spending. US economic growth numbers for the fourth quarter ended December 2023 to trickle on 28th February. All eyes on the India's GDP numbers for the quarter ended December 2023 due on 29th February. The monthly expiry of February futures and options contracts scheduled on 29th February. Investors will be keeping a close eye on the auto sales data for February, which will be announced on Friday, 1st February.